Is your 2014-2022 Maserati Quattroporte key fob not working reliably? A dead battery is the most likely culprit. Replacing it yourself is a simple way to save $100 to $200 compared to dealership service fees. This video guides you through the process, step by step. The Maserati Quattroporte key fob uses a common CR2032 3V lithium coin cell battery. These are widely available at electronics stores, pharmacies, and online retailers. This is a standard CR2032 battery with a diameter of 20 millimeters and height of 3.2 millimeters, providing 3 volts of power. Opt for reputable brands like Duracell for longer life, up to 5 years. Prices have recently increased, so shop around for the best deals. You'll need minimal tools for replacing your Maserati key fob battery. A small flathead screwdriver helps gently open the fob casing. Alternatively, use a plastic pry tool like a guitar pick, which works well without damaging the plastic. Avoid using metal tools if possible to prevent scratching the plastic surface. Consider wearing gloves to prevent oil transfer from your skin to the fob's electronics. Carefully insert the flathead screwdriver or pry tool into the seam of the key fob. Gently twist or pry to separate the two halves of the casing. Be patient and avoid applying excessive force, which could crack the plastic. Some 2022 models have reinforced casings, requiring extra care. With the fob opened, locate the CR2032 battery inside. You'll see it clearly positioned in the battery compartment. Take note of the battery polarity. The positive side, marked with a plus symbol, should face upward in the fob. The negative side has a flat, dimpled surface. Using a key or small tool, gently pry the old battery out from its holder. Apply even pressure to avoid bending the contacts. Insert the new CR2032 battery into the holder, ensuring the positive side faces up. Press it firmly but gently into place. Incorrect polarity can damage the fob's electronics. Always double-check that the positive side is facing up before closing the fob. Carefully align the two halves of the key fob casing and snap them back together. Ensure the casing is fully closed. Test the fob by locking and unlocking the car from a distance of 10 to 20 feet. If it doesn't work, reopen the fob and double-check the battery polarity and contacts. If the key fob still doesn't work after replacement, start troubleshooting with these common issues. First, check for corroded contacts on the circuit board. Corrosion appears as green or white residue and can prevent proper electrical connection. If corroded, clean the contacts gently with isopropyl alcohol and a soft brush. This removes residue and restores conductivity. Ensure the CR2032 battery is securely seated with the positive side up. Loose or incorrect positioning can cause intermittent operation. Avoid over-tightening the casing when reassembling. Use gentle pressure to prevent cracking the plastic housing. Improper battery insertion can create short circuits, damaging the fob's electronics and potentially requiring an expensive ECU reset. Looking ahead, Maserati is evolving key fob technology to integrate with smartphone apps like Maserati Connect, enabling digital keys and enhanced connectivity. Future key fobs will leverage kinetic energy harvesting, where movement generates power, and NFC technology for seamless, battery-free operation. To extend current battery life, minimize unnecessary button presses and consider proactive replacement every 1 to 3 years.